Hello children, how are you? I hope all are fine by the grace of God. Children, in English, in previous class, we wrote grammar in use, no children. Again, all of you open your page number 39 in English. Open your page number 39 children. Now today, see children, I am going to explain how to write this composition children. C-O-M. Then the spelling C-O-M-P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N. Composition. What is this children? You see this picture here and write the composition children. See, look at the names on the children's t-shirt. Where children? Look at the names. Do you know the children names? See, what is this girl name children? Tina. See here, Tina, Jack, Amy, Usha and Tim, Lata and Leena. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 children are there children, no? On their t-shirt, their names are there children. You see these names and write like this here children. Now say wait. Jack, Amy, Usha and Tim and Lata are standing. No children, they are standing, no? Now we have to write like this children. Write sentence using between as. Between. Write sentence using between children. Between means you know, no? See? See, Jack is standing between Amy and Usha. No children? Amy is standing between. Who is standing? Between children? This orange frock, no? Amy. Between Jack and Usha. Now Jack is standing between Tina and Amy. Jack is standing in between children. Like that we have to write. Now Usha is standing between Amy and Anne. No children? Usha is standing Amy and Anne. Now Anne is standing between Usha and Tim. No? Now Tim is standing Anne and Lata. Like that children. Okay, now you understand. Now Lata is standing Tim and Leena. Between Tin and Leena. Now we have to write like this children here. First one is already it is there. See, Jack is standing between Tina and Amy. See who? Jack. Where is Jack? This big tall boy. Jack is standing between Tina and Amy. No children? Now second one, now we have to write children. Amy is standing, see I wrote here. Amy is standing between Jack and Usha. Okay children? This orange color frock, Amy, no? Amy is standing between Jack and Usha. No children? Right now. Amy is standing between Jack and Usha. Okay children? Now where is Usha standing children? Now see here. Usha is standing between Amy and Anne. Usha is standing between Amy and Anne. No children? Now right here. Usha is standing between Amy and Anne. Okay children? Now where is Anne standing children? Anne is standing. Read all of you. Repeat after me. Anne is standing between. Between means the middle children. See here. Between. Like this. Anne is standing between Usha and Tina. Sorry, Tim. No children? Tim only, no T-I-M. Tim. See your t-shirt. T-I-M. Tin. Anne is standing between Usha and Tim. Right here children. Anne is standing between Usha and Tim. Over, no children. Then come to Tim. Tim is standing between Anne and Lata. Tim is standing between. See here. Between. Like this. Tim is standing between Anne and Lata. No children? Right here. Tim is standing between Anne and Lata. Okay children. Now where is Lata standing children? Now Lata is standing. Last one children. Lata is standing. See, Lata is standing. This one is Lata. No? Lata is standing between. Between. Middle. Between means middle. Lata is standing between Tim and Lina. Lata is standing between Tim and Lina. See there and write children. Last one. Lata is standing between Tim and Lina. Okay children. You'll write like this. All of you open your page number 39 and complete this in your textbook children. Whoever having textbook, write in your textbook. Whoever not having textbook, write in your notes children. Okay children. Thank you.